Hello watcher and subscriber. In the today's class we will see how you can protect sheet, cell and workbook. So all this point we will discuss. So let's start. So this is my sheet and I want to protect it. Now here user can do the changes according to him, but I want this sheet should be protected. Entire area will be protected. So if you want to protect the sheet, simply click on review and select protect sheet option. Here it is already ticked, select the lock cell, select unlock cell, but here by default here you don't need to do anything. Here you just straight away put the password, click on OK. Here also you do password and click on OK. So now your sheet is protected. If you do the changes, it is not possible. Entire sheet is well protected. And if you want to reverse, means unprotected, simply click on unprotected, enter your password, and now you can do the changes whatever you want. Okay, so in this way you can protect this entire sheet and you can unprotect also. Simply you have to remember the password and select unprotected sheet. Now our next point is I want to protect only row. I don't want to protect all the content. So very simple. So you have to click here in this arrow, then it is selected, all the area is selected, and after that I am telling here shortcut key. Okay, you have to remember, you press Ctrl plus enter, you press Ctrl plus 1. Okay, once again I repeat, you press Ctrl plus 1, or if you don't know shortcut key, just right click and select the format cell option, and then here you get the protection option. By default it is lock. Remove that lock option, click on OK. Once again you have to go on that option, that is Ctrl 1, you press, and now I am selecting, I'm going to select lock option, but as I told you, I want to lock particular column. So what I will do, I will select this and then I will press Ctrl 1, and then after that I will simply click on lock option, click on OK. Now this area is locked, but before that go in the review option and protect sheet. If you want, you can put the password. If you don't want, leave it. Then this area is protected. Now I want to change. Now you see it is not possible, but this area you can change it. So it means only this area is protected. So it's quite simple. Now after that I want to enter here formula, because I am going to protect the formula now. So in this cell my formula is there. I want to protect and hidden also. So here our sheet is protected. So I am just checking its review, unprotect sheet. Then after that select the all area, press Ctrl 1 and simply unlock the option. Now after unlocking your sheet, I want to protect only this one. I don't want to protect the other cell. So simply after clicking that, press Ctrl 1, select the lock option and hidden also, because I want to lock that cell and I don't want the user will see my formula also. OK. Then again review option and protect sheet. Then now you see here user click also, the formula is not appearing here, and no one can change your formula also, or no one can change the content of that cell. So it is formula is hidden, as well as other user cannot do any change. So that is very important thing. The last point is very important. And next one is, if you want to protect entire sheet like sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, simply select review and here the option is protect workbook. Here you can put any password it means the structure of your workbook will not be changed. For example, you see other options are hidden. You cannot delete or insert other sheets. Okay, you cannot do that changes in the workbook. So that's it. I hope you understood this tutorial. I told in the easy manner, and according to my knowledge, whatever I told you, the last point, second last point, how to hide the formula, okay, and how to protect that cell, that is more important for you. So I hope friend you understood and enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.